In this lecture, we'll be creating our current to-dos component. Now, the current to-dos component will be responsible for displaying all to-do items whose completed value is false. Basically, all the new ones that we will be adding will be displayed using the current to-dos component. Along with that, we will be also providing options for editing, marking an item complete, or removing them from the current to-do list. The component will also be displaying the number of to-do items that are in progress. So that's how it's going to look. You can see the current number of items that are pending, then the name of the item, then we have edit, complete, and remove buttons coming up. And if I take you to the code view, over here in our current to-dos.view component, this line shows the to-do items in progress. And here you can see we are looping through the collection. That's the to-dos collection. And we are displaying the text that we are entering in the text box over here. And then for each of the to-do item that we are entering, we are having these buttons coming up: edit, complete, and remove. You can see that with each button we have some functions associated. Like with edit we have edit, then with complete we have complete, and with remove we have remove. All these are taking to-do item as a parameter. And here in our method list we have these methods: edit, complete, remove. Now, while editing, all we are doing is we are making use of the edit to do action. Via dispatch, we are calling the action, passing the to do item. Similarly, for marking an item complete, we are calling the complete to do action, and then again passing to do item as a parameter. For removing, we are making use of remove to do, and here's the parameter to do. Then we have this computed to dos option, and this to dos that we see over here is basically returning us all the to do items that we have currently entered in our text box. So if you see, it's making use of the getter function that we have in our store.js, and here it is. All the items which are not marked as completed will be returned via this to dos, and that's what we are using over here. Now, the dispatch method, edit to do, complete to do, and remove to do, is also defined inside store. So you can see edit to do, remove to do, complete to do. They are calling these mutations complete to do, remove to do, edit to do respectively. And here inside mutations, you can see that we are accordingly playing with the to do item and setting necessary variables like new to dos and to dos over here. So let's go ahead and run this now and try and add one more item over here. It's fun to learn Vue. Click on add to do, and there you go. You can see the item count changes to 2 from 1, and this is the item which gets appended, and then we have this edit, complete, and remove. So that's how we create our current to do. And the next lecture will be working on the completed to dos item.